guys, and welcome to my Dread Unveiling video, where I show you the next set of extensions that I'll be installing super soon. I like to do these videos as a sort of sneak peek of the next hair transformation to show off the extensions a little bit more closely than you would see normally, but most importantly so that you guys can help me name this next look. On top of that, this one is a little bit special because it's the second set that I've gotten from this maker, but this is the first time I've ever done an unveiling video for them. So this set is from Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly, and that name should sound a little bit familiar to some of you, and that is because Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly made this set of mine, which is my princess set. This is my second most popular set of extensions that I've ever worn, and definitely one of my personal favorites. And so this set is again from Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly, and I'm super excited. I love her work, I love her extensions. They're super soft, super comfortable, and I always love the color combinations that she does. And so I just got this in the mail today. She was the biggest sweetheart ever and sent this expedited shipping because I'm actually in America right now. I'm in Minnesota. I'm in my old room, my old place that I used to film, except for minus the backdrop because that's in Amsterdam. And I never did an unveiling video for my princess set because I basically needed to install them as soon as I got them. And I do need to install these super soon, but I figured that I have time to show you guys them, and I want to show you guys them, and I also need your help getting a name for them too. So let's get into it. Except for the last thing we're gonna do is just admire this super fucking adorable unicorn and rainbow packaging. So cute, so much fun to get in the mail. I love it. I've never seen it before, and it's just super fucking adorable, and so points to Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly, not that she needs any because she's pretty much off the charts, but some extra points to her for this adorable packaging. Alright, so we can take them out of the bag, and I'm really excited. I have seen a photo of these. I did buy them pre-made because Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly only does pre-mades. She doesn't do customs. And so I do know what they look like, but I haven't seen them in person, obviously. So super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So, oh my gosh. Here they are. Wow, they smell super good. Wow, that's awesome. Excuse me while I smell these extensions. They just smell really good. So these are double-ended, as always. They are wool, because Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly only works in wool. They are 16 to 22 inches long, and there are 50 of them. So these are probably in groups of 10. Oh my god. And these do have some texture to them. They're not curly, you know, but they do have some, I don't even know what you would call this. I've never really paid attention to what this would be called. But they do have some texture. And of course, as you can see, it starts off with a black base and then has this transitional ombre to grays, and then it's pretty light at the end. It's pretty white, basically, I would say. I've been wanting black to gray ombre extensions for a really long time. And if you guys have seen my latest wig video, it was a black to gray wig that I styled and had a whole thing about it. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I worked really hard on that video. And I actually did have a lot of people comment on that video, the wig video, and the photos of the wig, saying that I should get dread extensions in the same style, in like the black to gray ombre. And so I did, but it was a close call. I almost didn't get this set, and that's because I had a poll on my Patreon where I asked all of my patrons to vote on 4 different sets from Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly. Patrons get to help me decide what I do with my hair. They actually helped pick out the color of the wig that I last did, and they'll probably pick out the next one too. And so this set won by about 3 votes, I think. And I had some of my patrons actually reference the wig, saying that it would be fun to do because I just had the black to gray ombre wig. So here we are, we're doing it, and I'm super excited. So if that was you who commented on the video or on my Instagram or my Facebook saying that I should do this color combination for dread extensions, thank you for saying so. That is a great idea, and we're gonna do it. So as I show off this set just a little bit more in detail, I will tell you that it was listed for $175 US, but Nvcl3arBvtt3rfly is the biggest sweetheart in the world, and we are actually doing this as a trade set. So she did send this set to me for free, partly as a trade deal so that I would do some videos about them and I could change my hair for you guys and fulfill my black to gray ombre hair dreams. But she also sent these to me partly as a thank you, just because I've been promoting her stuff since 2016 basically, and she deserves it. I mean, I love her stuff. I really honestly love Nuclear Butterfly. She's one of my favorite dread makers, and now she does this where she offered to send this to me totally for free plus expedited shipping so that I would get them in time and I could put them in for you guys. And so I just wanted to give kind of an extra shout out to her for that, and of course to give full disclosure to you guys as always. I like seriously can't stop smelling them. I don't know what it is. They smell so good. Oh, and I forgot to say, even though you can already like tell, these are pencil thin dreads. Some of them might even be micro actually. As you can see, there is a range of thickness. Some, like this one, are the kind of traditional pencil thin thickness, but then there are some really thin ones in here that would be kind of closer to micro size. Like this one is pretty thin. I had another one that I was looking at. Where to go? These two are pretty thin as well. So I would say that these are a range between micro dreads and pencil thin dreads. And since there are 50 of them, I'll probably use all 50 if I install on my whole head, which is foreshadowing. I might do something to my hair that would require not all of my hair having dreads in it. Ooh. But since normally I would use 40 pencil thin dreads, because some of these are on the way thinner side, an extra 10 should be just fine. So yeah, I just wanted to go over that. I forgot to include the size and talk about all that jazz. And so now what we get to do is talk about the name for this set. And so Nuclear Butterfly does name all of her sets. I love it. I love reading them and seeing them when she posts them on Facebook and lists them on her Etsy. So these had the name Dark Elf. So I'm going to leave that on the table as an option. So if you like the name Dark Elf for this set, you can just comment it down below, and of course I will see if that is the most commented one or it has the most likes. Then we can stick with it. I do like the name. I think it works. But I want to hear what you guys have to say. So as always, just let me know down below in the comment section what this set reminds you of. You can pull your inspiration from movies or TV shows, animals, flowers, foods, books, literally anything. If this reminds you of a person, of a plant, of a feeling, of a weather phenomenon, whatever you think of, let me know down below. I have a mirror over there and I keep just like putting this on my head and just like pretending that these are already in. And I'm so fucking excited. It's a little bit hard to imagine, but I don't know. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. Please comment down below what your idea for the name for this set should be, including if you like Dark Elf and want to stick with that name for this set. Please go check out Nuclear Butterfly. I'll have her Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, everything linked down below. I honestly check her Etsy like once a month to see all the different new sets that she makes. She only does pre-mades, but she makes some really good ones. Like I said, I actually had 5 different sets that I was deciding between, but one of them sold before I made my decision. So go check out what she has, go see what she's done. I highly recommend her stuff, and I'm super excited to be wearing her work again. And if you are too, if you are looking forward to seeing this set in and how it looks in the hair transformation video that it will be featured in, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to see it first before YouTube. And actually, what I should be saying now is if you want to see it first before everybody else, you can pledge as a patron of mine, because patrons get to see hair changes first, on top of helping me decide which changes to make. So I will have all of my social media links down below, like my Instagram and Twitter that I mentioned, my Patreon, on top of my Facebook, Tumblr, and YouNow channel. And so that is it for this dread unveiling, the look at my brand new wool dreads from Nuclear Butterfly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!